Morning children, welcome to my channel Sri Sri Thakur. Today we'll discuss chapter 20 exercise. Tathaiva tishtati, it remains as it is. Okay, let's see translation. No, sorry, exercise of this chapter. We discussed in the previous two videos translation. Today we'll discuss its exercise. Okay, so before you watch the video, subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends and like it. Okay, so let's start question number 1. विकल्पेभ्य समुचितम उत्तरम चिन्हित select the correct options from the select the correct answers from the options. Question 1. शिक्षा कस्मात् कारणात् क्षयं गच्छति. For which reason or for what reason is get it the knowledge get destroyed, or how does the knowledge get destroyed? Okay, and knowledge get destroyed with the passage of time. Kala pariyat, with the passage. How is knowledge get destroyed? How is knowledge get destroyed? Kala pariyat, with the passage of time. Santah kim krutva anyataram bhajante. By doing what? By doing what do the wise men select any one of them? Santah pariksha. Pariksha means after experimenting. After experimenting means that pariksha. Okay. Santah kim krutva anyataram bhajante. By doing what do the wise men select any one of them? Pariksha. After experimenting. Question 3. Kidrusa nicha prayana dusha bhavati. What kind of nicha, layman, prayana, mostly dusha bhavati, unbearable, untolerable. What kind of layman is mostly unbearable? And here you write labdha pada, one who has got position. Labdha pada. The layman who has got position from others, his behavior is really unbearable or intolerable. Dukhani anubhya kim sabhate. After experimenting on happiness, what looks better? What looks better after experimenting on happiness or sorrow? Sukham. After experimenting on happiness, Sukham means happiness looks better. Question 5. Sujana na jati bairam dash vinasa kalapi. What kind of Sujana? Na jati bairam does not make enmity. Sujana means wise man. Vinasakal at the time of destruction. Okay. What kind of wise men do not make enmity with others? Parahita nirata. Parahita nirata, first option. One who is busy, one who is engrossed in doing welfare of others. That kind of wise man never goes against of anybody or never makes enmity with others. Okay. This is question 1. Question 2. Ekavakyana Sanskrit bhasayam uttarata. Answer in one sentence each in Sanskrit. Ekavakyana, in one sentence. Sanskrit bhasayam, in Sanskrit, uttarata, answer. Subadha mulaha padapa kasmat karanat nipatanti. For what reason do the trees having firm roots, even having firm roots, fall down? For what reason do the trees, even having firm roots, strong roots, fall down? Okay, that is kala pariyata, with the passage of time. That is for all. Okay, subadha mula padapa patananti. Okay, that is kala pariyata, with the passage of time. Muda jana kidrusa bhavati. How is the policeman? How is the Muda jana means policeman. Kidrusa bhavati means how is he? How is the policeman? Para pratyaya neya buddhi. Okay. And in the first question you have write kasmat karnat will be replaced by kala pariyat. Okay. And mudha jana kidrusa. Kidrusa, here kidrusa will be replaced by para pratyaya neya buddhi. Para pratyaya neya buddhi. I mean the intellect of a policeman is always guided by others. Para pratyaya neya buddhi. Question number 3. Lokatranam chetransi kasmatapi murdini bhavati. From what do the heart of extended people become softer? किससे एक्सटेंडेड पीपल का हार्ट सॉफ्टर होता है? मृदुनी कुसुमादपि. कुसुमादपि, कस्मादपि will be replaced by कुसुमादपि. कुसुमादपि, from the flower. I mean than the flower. The heart of extended people is softer than the flower. So kasmadapi will be replaced by kusumadapi. Sukham kada sobade. how is the happiness looking good, or when does the happiness look better? Sukhani anubhya kada will be replaced by dukham anubhya. Sorry, sukham kada sabate dukhani anubhya after experimenting sorrow. So kada will be replaced by dukhani anubhya or dukham anubhya. Either you write dukhani anubhya or you write sukham anubhya. Dukham anubhya. I repeat, in first question, kasmat karnat will be replaced by kala paryayat with the passage of time. Second question, kidrusa will be replaced by para pratyaya naya buddhi. In third question, kasmadapi will be replaced by kusumadapi. In fourth question, kada will be replaced by dukham anubhya. Okay, now sandhi vichcheda. This is the sandhi. Navamityavadyam. Okay, here you see, let me explain. Navamityavadyam. Navam, here halantma, then iti plus avadyam, 3 steps. Navama halant plus e, choti e, because it is small e, iti, choti e, avadyam, navam halant plus iti, दोनों के दोनों छोटी plus avadyam. Okay. Question 2, kusumat api, the will be splitted. Kusumata halant plus api, kusumata halant plus api, kusumadapi. And third question is easy, just here, or you can write anyasmat, here you can write also anyasmat ta halant plus single la labdha padah, o space here, o matra will be replaced by visarga. So anyasma ta halant plus labdha padah, o matra will be replaced by visarga plus nichah. Yo jati, o matra space, so yo will be replaced by yah. Yo yati, o matra will be replaced by visarga, yah plus yati. Yo yati, o matra will be replaced by visarga, yah plus yati. And vinasa kale plus api. Here you see, it is not os, it is a matra. Vinasa kale as it is, and o matra cancel, write api. Vinasa kale plus api. Okay, this is design the sandhi. Now we will discuss question number 4, samas prakar, type of samas. Subadha mula, one who is having strong root, one who, those who, that is bahubri. Subadha mula, one who is having strong root, that is bahubri. Question 2, lokatranam. Uttar means different from ordinary. So lokatara extraordinary, different from ordinary. It is fifth case. Lokatranam, lokanam uttar, a genitive plural, lokanam uttar, lok se pare. Okay, it is genitive plural, so shashti tatpurush, lokanam uttara, lokattara, different of all. Okay, so genitive tatpurush, shashti tatpurush. Labdha pada, one who has got position, one who, those who. Labdha pada, one who has got position, one who, those who, that is bahubri. Baluka nikara, heap of sands. Nikara means heap of sands, that is genitive, shashti tatpurush. Parahita nirata, busy, nirata means busy in doing welfare of others. Busy in, when you write in, that is saptami tatpurush or locative tatpurush. Okay, that is fifth question. Next is first question. रिक्त स्थाने विशेष अनुसारम योग्य कोष्ठगतम विशेषण पदम लिखत. रिक्त स्थान in the blank, विशेष अनुसारम, विशेष means what you say, noun. As per the noun, I mean after the blank there will be noun. Not everywhere, in some places. Yogyam koshthagatam, appropriate word. Okay, select the appropriate word as per the word given in bracket. Okay, so dash padapaha. Here padapaha ending with a matra, padapaha. Here you write subadha mulaha. Add here a subadha mulaha. Okay, padapaha. So you write subadha mulaha. A matra plus visarga. Dash kavyam. Kavyam om sound. So you write navam. Navam kavyam. Okay, kavyam om, so navam. So lokotranam chetansi vajratpi kathorani. Here you have to write. Here you cannot get it immediately because it is different term. So chetansi, chetansi means e matra. So it is neuter. So you have to write here. Sorry. Chetansi, you have to write here from the blank kathorani. Kathorani chetansi. Okay. Kathorani. अणा में छोटी मात्रा. नीच प्रायण दुसह नीचह. Here you see नीचह. Let me show you. Here नीचह ah sound is there. नीचह. That adjective is a dusah. Dusah how will write? The word is given as it is. Put double dot only. Dusah. Okay. Now last question. Dash sujanah. Sujanah. Ah sound is coming. So parahita niratah. Double dot you have to put. Okay. So children, in every question there is a logic, there is a justification. Just you have to think about that. I repeat the answer only. In first question subadham ulaha. In second question navam. Dot will come. Not halant because next letter is consonant. In third question kathorani. In fourth question dusaha. In fifth question parahita niratah. This is fifth question. Now sixth question Anglo Bhasham Sankirta Tippani. Write short notes in English. Difference between good and foolish people. Okay. So that is the chandan tree. That is one example. Okay. And here also you can cite on good people. Always try to do benefit of others. Try to help others. That is example chandan tree. And another example is that one who has got position from others, his behavior is really unbearable. But both the stanza you have to carry forward in this answer. One is one who has got position from others, that stanza. Another is chandan tree, last one. Of these stanzas you have tried, it is given what is comparison between good people and foolish people, or good person and foolish person. Mentality of a mean-minded person. Mean-minded person means nicha. Okay, his behavior is bad, his behavior is not good. Okay, that is also given in one who has got position of man, one who has position got from position from others, his behavior is unbearable. That stanza you have to take. Nature of good person, again same. So these questions are almost same but a little bit different. But you prepare. You just think which stanza speaks about good comparison between good people and bad people. That stanza you have to write answer. Artha Vistara, children, these three are given for expand the idea. It is not that only these three will come. Any stanza may come from the decided chapters. Okay. Translation I have already given. Expansion also I have given. Just go through them. And when virtual classes will be there, I'll discuss in details. Okay. Now your turn is to complete the translation notebook with expansion as well as moral. If any queries, please contact me in my contact details. But write in no notebook. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Please children, do not forget to ask me in case if you have query. Please follow my advice and you will definitely do better in exam. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.